Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to be making some Princess Valentine's Day cards. Now these printables come in plain and in writing, so they can be used for Valentine's or birthdays or for whatever occasion you wish. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So we've got a few different designs for you. We've got Elsa, we have a plain Elsa, so if you want to use it as a birthday card you can. We have Belle, this is your free printable for Valentine's Day. We have Aurora, we've also got Aurora with a message, and we have lovely Snow White with a message. Now these are the Valentine's ones, but they're all come in plain as well. So if you want a plain version for birthday or party invite or Christmas, or just because you want to send somebody a lovely card, they are all available too. But first thing you need to do is simply cut out your printable. So you have your printables. Now you need to fold each circle in half. And you need to fold your Valentine's printable in half. Now, I always check that against the light that my heart aligns nicely, but to be honest, it's not exact. But try and get it as central as possible, so you've got the fold running right through the middle. See the point there? And then we'll have to glue that down. Just check how nicely it fits into my card. I think that's fine. So I'm gonna give it a good crease. Put glue all over it. Take my card. Open the other side and glue. There we go. Isn't that cute? Okay, then you need to make the dress. I'm going to take my 4 halves, add some glue on one half. Here we go. Pretty little skirt. I'm going to just check it. Do a little mark just so I can make it shape to the dress a bit. And down here. And then add some glue. In fact, put the glue here. And open, and there you have it. Belle is finished, and this is a really sweet Belle Pop Up Card for Valentine's. As mentioned, we have Elsa, we have Belle, we have Aurora, and we have Snow White, and they've all come in either plain or with Valentine's cards messages, so you can pick the one that suits you best. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.